In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently change selected text in Microsoft Word to small caps using just a simple keyboard shortcut. This little trick can save time when you're polishing documents, making certain headings stand out, or just trying to create a clean and sophisticated look with your typography. So let's jump right in and see how this is done. First things first, you need to open the Microsoft Word document where the text you wish to edit is located. Make sure your document is already loaded up on your screen. If you haven't already opened your file, take a moment to locate it and bring it up on your computer. Having your document open and ready is crucial as it sets the stage for the following steps. Once your Word document is open, scroll through your text and find the specific area or sentence that you want to convert to small caps. Click and drag over the text to highlight it, ensuring you've selected exactly what you want to format. This step is important because the keyboard shortcut only works on text that is highlighted. Without highlighting, the shortcut can't apply the desired formatting. Now with your text selected, you're ready to perform a fantastic time-saving trick. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and while keeping it pressed, tap the F3 key. That's Shift plus F3. This keyboard shortcut toggles through capitalization options. You might need to press this combination more than once to cycle through all available text transformations, from lowercase to uppercase, and finally to small caps. Keep an eye on your text so you can stop exactly when your selection appears in small caps. And just like that, you're done. With this quick shortcut, you have easily transformed your selected text into small caps. This method is perfect for those who frequently deal with documents and need to format text in a consistent and visually appealing manner without delving into deeper menu options in Word. To sum it up, you don't need to be a word wizard to make use of powerful shortcuts. With the simple press of a combination, Shift and F3, you can cycle through different text cases efficiently, landing on small caps when needed. This feature not only makes your document creation process much faster, but also enhances your workflow drastically, as it allows you to focus more on creating content and less on formatting. Thanks for tuning in to learn this quick and efficient Word formatting tip. With this newfound knowledge, you can now enhance the appearance of your documents with ease and style. Don't forget to explore other Microsoft Word shortcuts to further simplify your document editing tasks. Until next time, happy typing!